A giant leap for Starship Pad B mount installed. This is a monumental moment in the journey of SpaceX's ambitious Starship program. The installation of the Pad B mount is not just a technical achievement, but a symbol of the relentless drive and innovative spirit that defines SpaceX. SpaceX just hit a major milestone. The team at Boca Chica has been working tirelessly to bring this vision to life, and their hard work is paying off. The successful installation of the mount is a testament to their dedication and expertise. The private space company installed the massive mount for its Starship launch tower at Pad B in Boca Chica, Texas. This installation is a critical component of the infrastructure needed to support the future launches of Starship, which aims to revolutionize space travel. This achievement marks a significant step towards the orbital launch of Starship, the world's most powerful rocket ever built. The Starship rocket is designed to carry humans to Mars and beyond, making interplanetary travel a reality. The installation of the launch mount is a clear indication that SpaceX is moving full steam ahead with its ambitious plans for Starship. This progress is not just about building a rocket, it's about building the future of human space exploration. This event follows a series of successes for SpaceX, including the completion of the longest static fire test ever conducted on Starship. These tests are crucial for ensuring the safety and reliability of the rocket before it embarks on its maiden orbital flight. Despite encountering some delays in the launch schedule, SpaceX continues to push the boundaries of space exploration. The challenges faced are part of the journey, and each obstacle overcome brings them one step closer to their goal. The company's relentless pursuit of innovation is captivating the world, fueling excitement for the future of space travel. With each milestone achieved, SpaceX is not only making history, but also inspiring a new generation of explorers and dreamers. The future of space travel looks brighter than ever thanks to the groundbreaking work being done at SpaceX. The newly installed Pad B mount is no ordinary launch pad. It's a testament to SpaceX's commitment to reusability and rapid launch capabilities. Designed to support the immense weight and power of Starship, the mount is equipped with a powerful system for holding and stabilizing the rocket during fueling and pre-launch preparations. This innovative system is crucial for the safe and efficient operation of Starship, which is designed for multiple flights with short turnaround times. Unlike traditional launch pads, which are often single-use and require extensive refurbishment between launches, SpaceX designed Pad B for rapid reusability. This approach is central to SpaceX's goal of making space travel more affordable and accessible. The launch mount's construction incorporates advanced materials and engineering techniques to withstand the extreme forces and temperatures involved in Starship launches. Before the installation of the Pad B mount, SpaceX achieved another impressive feat, the longest static fire test ever conducted on Starship. This test was not just a routine check, but a monumental step in the journey towards making space travel more accessible and reliable. The static fire test is a critical procedure where the rocket engines are fired while the vehicle remains stationary, allowing engineers to assess the performance and stability of the engines under controlled conditions. This test saw all 33 Raptor engines on the Super Heavy booster ignite simultaneously, generating an incredible amount of thrust. The sight of all engines firing in unison was a testament to the engineering prowess and meticulous planning that went into the design and construction of the Super Heavy booster. Each Raptor engine is a marvel of modern engineering, designed to be reusable and efficient, capable of producing immense power while maintaining reliability. The successful test demonstrated the robustness of Starship's design and brought the company one step closer to an orbital launch. The celebration among the SpaceX engineers was a moment of triumph, reflecting the countless hours of hard work, dedication and innovation that had gone into reaching this milestone. The static fire test is a crucial indicator that the vehicle is ready for the next phase of testing and eventual missions. This static fire test was crucial for verifying the performance of the Raptor engines, the propellant loading system, and the overall integrity of the vehicle. The data collected from this test will help engineers fine-tune the systems, ensuring that every component works seamlessly together. The propellant loading system, in particular, is vital for the success of future missions, as it ensures that the engines receive the correct amount of fuel and oxidizer at the right pressures and temperatures. The test provided invaluable data that SpaceX engineers will use to refine the Starship system and ensure its readiness for orbital flight. In the control room, Engineers meticulously analyze the data, looking for any anomalies or areas for improvement. This iterative process of testing, analyzing and refining is what drives SpaceX's progress and innovation, pushing the boundaries of what is possible in space exploration. The duration of the test also allowed the team to gather crucial data on the thermal performance of the vehicle and its ground systems. Thermal management is a critical aspect of space travel, as the extreme temperatures encountered during launch and re-entry can pose significant challenges. The thermal protection system on Starship is designed to withstand these harsh conditions, and the data collected from the static fire test will help engineers ensure that it performs as expected. This comprehensive approach to testing and validation is what sets SpaceX apart as they continue to pave the way for the future of space travel. Section 4. Launch delays, a bump in the road. Despite the recent successes, SpaceX has faced some delays in the launch schedule for Starship's orbital flight. These delays have been a point of concern for many, but they are part and parcel of the journey towards achieving something truly groundbreaking. These delays are not unexpected in such a complex and ambitious endeavor. The path to space is fraught with challenges, and each delay represents an opportunity to learn and improve. SpaceX's engineers are constantly working to troubleshoot issues and refine their designs. SpaceX is known for its iterative design process and commitment to thorough testing, often making adjustments based on data gathered during these tests. This approach ensures that every component of the Starship is optimized for performance and safety. Factors like necessary adjustments to the launch vehicle and the need to obtain regulatory approvals can also contribute to delays. Regulatory bodies play a crucial role in ensuring that all safety standards are met, and their inspections are a vital part of the process. While the delays may be disappointing to eager observers, they underscore SpaceX's commitment to safety and meticulous engineering. Each delay is a testament to the company's dedication to getting it right, rather than rushing to meet deadlines. Spaceflight is inherently risky, and SpaceX is taking every precaution to ensure the success of Starship's first orbital flight. The team is focused on conducting rigorous safety checks and adhering to strict protocols to mitigate any potential risks. The company understands that a successful first flight is crucial for building confidence in Starship's capabilities and securing future funding for its ambitious plans. A successful launch will not only demonstrate the viability of the Starship, but also pave the way for future missions, including those aimed at Mars colonization and beyond. The journey may be long and filled with obstacles, but each step brings SpaceX closer to making space travel a reality for humanity. Section 5. The significance of Starship's success. The development and eventual launch of Starship represent a paradigm shift in space exploration. Starship is not just a rocket, it's a fully reusable transportation system designed to carry both crew and cargo to Earth orbit, the Moon, Mars, and beyond. Its reusability and large payload capacity have the potential to significantly reduce the cost of space travel, opening up a new era of possibilities for humanity's presence in space. Starship's capabilities extend far beyond scientific exploration. The spacecraft could play a vital role in establishing a permanent human presence on Mars, a long-held ambition of SpaceX founder Elon Musk. Its ability to transport large amounts of cargo could be instrumental in building infrastructure on the Red Planet, paving the way for a self-sustaining Martian colony.